Here's a great deal on a 2009 Toyota Sienna. This 7-passenger van is still under 75,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors and seats, power trunk closing assist, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, front dual-zone air conditioning, a power liftgate, removable floor console, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.